awesome Prairie Elementary artists doing today? I'm saying hi from my kitchen table. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'm excited to make some art with you today, and I can't wait to see what you post on Seesaw. Make sure that you're hitting the green check mark when you post your picture on Seesaw and that you're putting it in the art folder. If you're not sure how to do that, I will help you. Okay, third grade, we are going to be looking at warm and cool colors today. So I'm going to show you the warm colors would be like red, orange, yellow, and any color in between. And the cool colors would be blue, green, and purple, and any other colors that look like that. So if we look at some warm color examples, it's things that you think of being hot, like a sunset, the stove, maybe when you're working out your cheeks get red, or a sunburn. Cool things would be like cold water and ice and snow. Sometimes when snow is in a shadow, it looks purple or blue. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you really quick, kind of a slow motion example of when you draw your fish. So what I do is I start with a dot on this end of my paper, and then you can start with a dot on this end of my paper, or your paper. I think it'll help to show you a slowed down version so that you can draw them nice and neat instead of the faster version that I'm going to show you in a minute. So you take your pencil and you make like a teardrop or a U shape, okay? And it connects back at that dot. So if it's easier to flip your paper around and think of it as making a teardrop or a U, you can totally do it that way. And then you can follow along by adding on the fish tails, the fins, the face of the fish. Okay. The eyes. Fins going this way and fins going this way. Okay, and then remember when you color them in, we're going to do warm and cool colors. That's our goal. That's our learning target for this. Okay? Okay, here's the fast version of me drawing it and coloring it. If you need to pause your video to catch up, that's totally fine. Don't forget that it's okay if your teardrops are kind of a curved shape because your fish can be moving around in the water. Notice that I flipped my paper over to the back because I made a mistake. Don't forget, you can flip your paper over or use your eraser if you need to. When you start thinking about coloring, you want to make sure that you're coloring in your fish with warm colors. So think about those colors that correlate with something hot. So like the sun is yellow or sometimes orange, or a sunset or a sunrise. Think about when you are really hot after gym class and your cheeks get red. For my fish, I was looking at red, orange, and yellow to be my main colors. I added in a couple of different shades of them. I started with my yellow marker in the middle first because yellow is a light color, and if you colored with your yellow marker over top of your red marker, it's going to ruin your marker. So make sure you do all your yellow first and work your way from yellow to orange to red. I did my yellow in the middle of the fish, and then I started adding my orange and red on the outside edge. When you get done coloring in your fish, you want to start filling in your background with cool colors. And water is blue, so it helps because blue is a cool color. So I started making some lines to look like there was movement in my water and maybe some bubbles from my fish. And I just made some lines with marker, and then later on I went over top of it with lots of different blue colored pencils and filled in my water around the outside of my fish. wait to see your drawings. Don't forget to post your finished products on Seesaw.